Go.
Hello.
Hello.
Let's go. Stroller.
Oh, hell na.
Okay na. Bro, don't get suit, ha? Ang pangit ko.
Yeah, I stole their shotgun.
Me too. Let's go.
You got their shotgun too?
Yup. Wait. Let's ride this.
Wait, let's papa.
Get in!
I can't even get out.
You dumma. Let's kill people. Kill!
I'm killing that girl. Ah! Bro, flip the car.
Wait.
Flip it again.
Flip a cat. Kill them. Kill girl. Let's rob the bank. Let's rob the grocery.
Me. I'm gonna explode. Big red pepper. Red pepper. Get the money. I'll give you the money. Where are you?
I'm outside.
Wow!
Fire.
Give money.
We're gonna. Ouch. Get out, woman. No.
I'm
No,
gonna kill
I'm bad driver. See, I'm a good driver.
Wait, are you?
See, I told you. See? I'm good at driving. Beautiful driving. What kind of car is that there?
I'm gonna make car.
Fire.
Okay, a fire car. Where's
I'm a save. Save your avatar.
Wait, I already saved my avatar.
Really? Let me see. Where?
Okay, I'm gonna save it.
Put bacon. Bukan. Let's go to the McDonald's.
Come here.
No, let's go to the McDonald's and RB. Let's go.
I'm gonna change.
Under new management.
Now we have guns inside our truck. What?
Let's pretend to be McDonald's member.
There's already an outfit there.
No, don't press it. Just McDonald's hat. Search for McDonald's hat. You're gonna pick the first one. McDonald's hat. First one, hat.
This one.
Next, McDonald's on the shirt and pants.
Okay, McDonald's.
The first one.
No, like shirt. What the hell? McDonald's.
First one. And the pants too. Donald.
McDonald Trump.
No, don't do that. Wait. Let's redo it. There's something there.
Mama!
Yes. Put on the pants. Search McDonald again. We need to put this one.
Okay. Wait.
This. McDonald.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Okay, let's go.
I can equip it. It's because it's off sale.
Yeah, let's go. Let's play now. I have.
What the heck?
Oh, never mind.
What the hell?
I'm gonna be manager.
I'm gonna be.
Employee of the day. Okay.
No, you're the employee of the day. I'm gonna be
What?
the serving here.
Okay.
The thing here.
Wait. How am I gonna wait? How do I do this?
Money.
How do I do ow.
What the hell?
Let's make it.
Okay, let's make red pepper bomb.
Let's make it. Let's
Ito
make
lang I'm gonna delete all my guns. Yes, listen. What the hell?
I made it. Now.
Turn off the light.
Turn it off. You gay?
Turn it off.
Gonna poop.
Ma.
I'm gonna poop.
I'm gonna get cell phone.
I'm pooping. Don't comment.
This. I broke even RP.
I'm gonna get
Oh,
that too.
ID pala. And this emergency. Oh, wait. I gotta get this. So I can put.
No, that's the wrong items. Look at mine. Look at mine here. Here, this is the right items.
What the hell?
And this.
No,
Joke lang.
this is my item. This is my item too, and this item. My item.
Wait, I'm gonna get that items. Phone and
Clipboard
and
ID.
what's the ID? Oh, this.
Or driver license plate.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna.
What? Why is there porta potty? Why is there porta potty? Wait, I gotta pee. I gotta pee.
It's break time.
Open the door. Ano? What the hell? Ano?
Yung parcel doon sa butong, nakalimutang ko.
Okay, done.
Tapos na may ano niya.
Let's look at the second party poppy.
What's this?
Brad,
Look at the second party poop.
Brad. Brad,
Ah.
yung mga. Nakalagay niyo sa ano ha? Yung sa lalagyan niya. Yung sa baba, yung may bulsa-bulsa. Kuha mo, boy.
Karker.
I welcome. But
There's delivery.
what the hell?
Let's go back to the McDonald's.
I'm gonna delete my original big car. I'll get my
McDonald's.
I'll get my motorcycle.
Put the employee thingy job.
Okay.
Come on, where are you?
Ibubura mo yung ano, diba? Pangalan.
Ano ng pangalan?
Burger bomb.
Karker.
Burger barn. No.
Go! Bro, what are you doing?
I use my car.
Let's go.
Where are you? I'm gonna drive here.
Gonna park it.
Why are you?
Did you put on the job?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
What the heck?
Let's go. I'm gonna serve customers. Out.
Yeah,
That's what you know. That's what you know.
I'm gonna give you the clipboard of every customer's want thing. That's my driver's license. Ate, there's an emergency gun here for any robbers.
What's their gun here?
For robbers.
How did you put it?
Rob. Now let's start cooking.
We're gonna do this.
Sibon.
Give me the ingredients.
Ako nga, hindi pa ako naka-order na.
Give me the ingredients.
Here.
Saan mo na naman na ano to?
Okay.
Sa'yo naman to.
Ha?
Sa'yo na.
Oh, I'm putting it.
Saan mo nga naka... Napabudol ka lang sa sabi.
What are you selfie?
Sabi ko sa'yo, pag naboboring ko, galing sa sabi.
Ate, there's one hospital and one burger delivery.
Really?
Dapat
Yes,
agaditan mo ko shopping na shopping.
When
Hindi naman pala.
When someone has a heart attack or they hurt their toes.
Okay. Number 1.
Budulis.
Done.
Dalawa
Who
na
wants
i-eat.
it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Tatlo yan?
Ano sabi mga mabula? Mga ano daw yan?
Ano daw to?
I'm gonna get,
Anyone take out
yeah.
this?
Tatlo, dami kasi tatlo lang ako sini.
Where should I put this?
Ate, where did I got this? I got it
Yan,
from
mga
the
mabula talaga yan.
from under the
Okay.
table.
Now,
Nakikita ko din yan sa ano.
Yeah, this.
Ano nga mo dito?
Ganda din talaga
see
yung
it.
pati.
This. I got it from under the table.
under the table? How?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see what's
Ano
under.
nga yung salsado ko?
I don't see it.
Palpa.
I already got it from you. Tama.
I don't know.
Ay,
Okay,
ano?
now we're
Baya.
gonna quit our job.
Lagyan mo yung Makati dito.
Okay,
Ayan,
bye.
wala na naman
Let's
yung leg dyan,
quit.
oh. Tagalit na
Let's
yung
save
pinaka-
your
Sanggoy.
avatar.
Sa right side
Yeah.
yan.
Putik na yun.
McDonald's.
Masaya pa yung Makati mo, Goy?
Parang dumi-dumi naman ang bahay natin.
Did you save it?
Yeah.
What's
Huh?
the name?
Malinis naman yung bahay natin.
MC. Now change into the
Sensitive lang yung bata na yan.
bacon.
Okay.
Original bacon.
Bukan.
Okay, where are you? I'm gonna go.
iPhone. I'm gonna delete my clipboard.
No.
Masaya yung dito sa...
My car! Okay, never mind.
Masaya yung kilikili mo, Nas. Kilikili. Masaya may... Pinungkat ng ano... Eh? Saan?
Ang ganda dito.
Kati dyan?
Hmm.
Ayan, ayan.
Look at me. Look at me.
Kiti, kiti, kiti.
Bro, it's already super windy because we are going at max speed. Yung tama!
I'm still...
Saan ba iba? Pa mo. Pa. Ulit pa.
Stop. Get out the car. We're
Wala na?
I'm gonna get the...
Wala na, Goy?
The thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Apa,
get the...
wala na.
I'm gonna...
Roommate me.
No, I'm gonna make the thing.
Yeah. And roommate me.
Gonna get this.
Yeah, now roommate.
Ano?
Now roommate me.
Don't rob me.
Munggol? Mungguloy?
Bro, I'm already a roommate. I can open what the hell? No, we're not a robber, bro. Open. I'm gonna shower.
I'm eating this.
I'm gonna shower. Don't.
I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna make something. Janas, I'm gonna make a big house here.
Yeah, I'm gonna just shower.
Okay.
Then why is there freaking glass in the
I
shower?
don't know.
Don't shower.
Hurry up and help
May luya ito
me.
wala.
What's it?
Kailangan ba?
I'm gonna toothpaste.
Yapo yan.
I'm gonna toothbrush.
Maso, this is perfectly placed.
Whoa!
Now I'm gonna put
How?
things. I don't know.
How are you gay?
Ba't di mo nilagyan ng isda?
I'm done showering. I'm gonna wash my hands.
You're...
Anong gusto nyo? Ganyan na lang siya?
Okay, come in. Go here.
Ate,
Oh.
how am I still?
Ang itlog yung lang wala.
I don't know. Hurry up and go upstairs.
Okay. Where's the upstairs? Okay. Ladder. Whoa! Japanese home.
Yes.
I'm gonna put other things
Yeah.
with my prop. I'm gonna delete all my props.
Hmm.
Wow.
Saan?
Okay, now I'm gonna put binoculars
Yeah, and seats so we can.
Pakilaman yan,
and sniper rifle.
No, get out. What should I put? Is this okay?
Yeah, okay. There's sniper rifle.
Okay, this and
There's
painting.
this too.
Should paint. And this. And a couch.
Okay, done. I have binoculars and sniper rifle. I'll get my sniper rifle.
Ilang?
Okay, we're done. Look at this. It's so good. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a carpet.
I'm gonna shoot.
Hey, let's put this.
There's an ice cream worker.
Pero pag bulag eh.
I'm not gonna shoot him because he has a job too.
Ta-da!
Actually, why Easter?
Oh, it's the latest. It's ugly.
Where am I moving?
And let's put light.
Wow!
Put anything you want.
Help me.
Tarset?
I accidentally dumped.
Tama ka yan.
No, you gay brother.
In front too.
Look, it's beautiful.
No, someone is beautifully. Someone is going into our property. I'm gonna cook.
You gonna cook him?
No, like cook some burgers. Yummy.
Oh, okay.
Paano ang sarapa?
Only 200, not 1 billion.
Do you like the house?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oops, oh.
Oh no, no. It's too bright.
Kung ka na magkuha.
Then there's seats here and a campfire.
Okay.
Taso.
I'm gonna be closing the thingy so we cannot be fire. Okay, let's eat now.
Mia.
I'm gonna delete all my nuclear bomb guns.
Who's gonna fix this?
I'm gonna wait.
Delete all the guns.
Ano tayo?
I'm gonna wait. This is cool, right?
No, don't put that.
Right.
It's all good.
It's cool though.
Bro, please, I need this.
Your mom's kinda homeless.
Yes. Let's put the campfire down.
There's already a campfire down there.
Oh. My bad.
No, you see,
Time's up.
it's because that campfire, if we like put it a while, it will burn the house. Why is there? I'm gonna.
Yung dalawa
Put
na yan.
flowers.
Kukunti na nga yung naiwan na ano,
Put
Na-
flowers. Jonas, can I have this? Because I have limit rich.
gulay. Hindi pa siya kinain.
I'm gonna put flowers down. No, I'm gonna get banned. I'm
Then,
gonna put a potty.
tama na yan.
Mamaya
Wait lang.
ito, Class Express na to.
Ano?
Buhayin mo yung 61. Baterya nga yan. Bagay
Just gonna get.
Eh, yung isang parcel mo, ano yun? Sabon tsaka cream? Yun na yun, 226.
Yay! House party! At there's now house party.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put more stuff on up.
Bakit nakalagay din sa blower pan na kalang pending seller approval ko na?
No.
Ay, hindi pa ina-upload.
Where's the
na-
flowers? I don't see
Sige.
flowers.
Na-cancel mo.
Oh, I this. Forgot it.
Yan siya. Hindi naman pa siya.
Huwag yan. Yung maliit lang para hindi hindi maubos.
I thought I
Makuha.
would try to fill here.
Eh, Yan mo ko na nga sana kasi baka dito naman lalaki.
Okay, I'm done. Let's switch again.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, now
Siya.
Ibaunan.
we have beautiful
Para pagka
house.
Yeah.
Did we set
Ibaunan na namin.
the party?
Ang ginawa ko
Yeah.
sa ba?
Let's open the thing. The
Wait, I'm gonna get a job.
no.
Oy.
Yeah, real job.
Tama na yan.
But in Brookhaven. This one. Yeah. Get on my way.
invite everybody.
Narinig nyo?
35.
I'm inviting everybody.
I'll try X you. Is that you? Are you? Ate, are you here? Are you this?
Yes.
No. I'm gonna do. I'm already in your house. I'm gonna get the job.
Party.
Ate, I'm gonna go in the grocery so
Someone's in our house, by the way.
ban him.
No, it's a party.
Oh. I'm gonna get where's my job?
Job application.
Ate, I'm gonna change my outfit
Why?
because I want to get a job.
Did you save the bacon?
Narinig nyo ba? Hindi.
Grocery store.
Ah. May narinig kayong dalawa? Wala. Ah. Isa.
I ended the party.
Dalawa.
Wait lang, ibaba.
Close ko muna to. Get closer. I'll shop
May
my
nakita
own
dyan,
things.
Baka pag oras ng kain na naman, masakit na naman ang tiyan, masakit na naman ang ulo, ah.
Food.
Why can't I open this?
Masakit ang ulo ko, mama. O, sige, huwag ka na mag-tablet ka ako. Bigla, wala na daw.
Nakain na rin pa niya.
Jonas.
Ah.
Dali ano, bago pa ako magbigay sa'yo.
And
Bigay mo sa akin yung bell pepper kung
on my screen. Okay, I'm gonna register.
Kala ko.
I'm
Kaya
gonna
nga,
put my card. Where's my card?
sabi ko kanila. Iwan kami ng gulay dyan para sa inyo. Tapos, di rin naman nagpapakakainin. Tumayo na kayo dyan. Tapos itong kanyang na to, kanina pa. Napaligo hanggang ngayon.
I'm just gonna eat.
Okay, I got the
Puro wait lang kung gano'n na to. Jonas! Kumain ka na. Ayoko magpag-usapan nyo yun na pang dyan dito. Alam mo isa, mga walang kwenta.
Grocery? Ay, super flat na yung ground.
Pag gusto nila na walang tablet, pagka gusto, wait lang din sila.
Ma'am, pwede makuha ng ice?
Nala ko din. Bangga yung upuan ko. Kabastusan yan, ginagawa mo. Hoy! Hoy! Nawas ang kamay mo. Nawas ang kamay. Doon na.
Naku, sinabi na ako na namin. Punta ko ako sa transmitan doon ako mag-ibig. Ngayon, kung 1 million na nakalagay doon, yun ang ano ko doon. Kasi lang naman namin yung nakukunin namin. Minus lang namin doon.
I
Tapos, ano na
I have groceries.
Yeah.
Walang libre mo.
tugtong lang yun. Yung dito yung milyon sa baba na bawat nakikita ba?
What?
Ayun na. Huwag ka na mag-ano. Ako dito. Wala ka nang nakasubo. Nakatayo mo.
Ano ba yan?
Mamaya na. Magbibigit ako pa rin ng tayo. Puta, sumubo. Hindi pa oras ang pagkain. Masakit saan ko, mama. Masakit ulo ko. Pukpuk ko sa ulo mo yung tablet na yun, Jonas. Kung yan lang pagsakitan mo. Ano ha? Bunga nga mo, tuyong-tuyo. Nakalang kayo makaalala uminom ng tubig pag oras ng kain. Kung 2 oras kayo ng tablet, 2 oras din kayo inom ng tubig. Ano, dito ah. Mayroon ka ng ano, gulay. Alam mo, kung hindi mo sila bantayan sila sabay sa atin kumain pa, konti lang talaga nakain nila yun. Di ba yung sinunod ganina kung konti lang yan? Hindi na pa yung naibot. Madami. Dami na. Gaman ang tubig. Mamaya alis kami ni Papa mo. Wala mo na mag-tablet, no? No? Mag-TV ka lang. Kaya mo ate mo mag-cellphone. Mag-TV ka na lang, no? Huwag na mag-tablet. Dami sumasakit ulo mo. Wala ka man lagnat, oh. Ano mo lang yan? Ako man din dati, pagka wala si papa mo dito, nabababad ako sa cellphone ka. Wala man ako makakwentuhan. Ay, busy kayo lagi sa mga ano nyo.
Ay na naman din ako.
Nakakataro, ulo ko kasi cellphone.
Ano mo?
Tama na yan, hindi mo rin mga ipasok ko mga lahat yan. Mamaya. May isda.
Kung may supot ka lang makapal dyan, supot natin. Yung printed.
Hindi.
Ito yung
Hindi na may mga kapin mo.
karton. Plastic lang. Para kasa doon sa harapan ko.
Asa ba yan sa bato na nakita?
Supot ba?
Okay ba? Mamaya, mahayo mo. Ang bagong doon. Ayun, tablet mo. Ang ulit. Ewan mo lang mga natin.
Ang tagal.
Matagal? Ang dagdag ako kanina kasi sabi na ito ako. Nagluto pa ako ng ano. Baling dalawang ice cream na ano ang ilagay ko na dyan.
Matipid din kung may ano. May blower yan kasi ano na siya. Matansya, mas yung init talaga niya.
Sabi yung hinaan pagka ano no.
Kailan darating yung ano?
May parang dito. Maraming siguro muna. Kaya ano, yung iba, pre-order. Kasi maraming siguro ano ngayon. Uulin niya dahil sa
Hindi ulin. Kaya namin dyan.
ayusin mo yung pagkain.
Use oil.
Ganyan to ah. Eh? Ano ka ng isda ah?
Lunggoy.
Ano ka ng isda? Ang burong mo lahat kung kami kita na ubus yan eh. Matalit pa yung grinder ngayon nagawa na ano. Video.
Yeah. Yung mga kahoy ang hawakan.
Ang pinabalat ko, maganda pang panghiwa. Kaya, mabago. Ano kaya? Wow.
Pag-direct na tayo dumaan sa ano.
Ulam.
Bakit?
Yung ba iba? Gusto mo yung tuloy na lakad?
Hindi ka nga, di ba? Ang tagal lang si ano kanina. Kung hindi na ba na kay Big na. Hindi ko, hindi naman. Kasi ba yung mga kasamahan doon na naman sa F-Pass na meron ko na schedule doon. Meron na pinunta ako ba?
Taristigil.
Baka ano, i-send nyo namin na. Kaya i-isa kasi nadalaman talaga ng ano yan. Mura talaga, pero ano? Magkano naman yung panahon? Ako ganito pa naman yung flight na.
Ha?
Nandito pa naman. Kung madalas yung virus.
Tapos pagkasabay siguro na ano.
Meat bell pepper.
Kinakain ko naman.
Alam mo kailangan hindi kid yung mga Hindi na kailangan sabihin na maligo. Yan ang hindi na kid. Kid ka pa rin.
Nas, kumain ka na. Huwag ka na naman. Kasama ka na naman.
Papas. Sa birthday.
Or,
Mag-CR ka na kanina? Hindi na. Ano yan?
ako din yung kain sa ulo.
Ikaw ma.
Yung anak ko naman.
O, tapos ito.
Hmm.
Alam ko na mahilig sa fish.
Hindi ko na-hated. Pero sabi ko lang na hindi ko na ma-hated.
Kung nga kinain ko ng fish, kayo, nabisa niyo pa lang, hindi pa maubos.
Sinabi ba ako sa lumabos? Ayun.
And na ito pa, oh. Hmm.
I don't want.
Ganun na yan.
Kainin mo na yung kain ito, Nas.
Ito pagka-o banana fish.
Bakit ka? Kung ka na magpapamaligo, ah. Baka alas 2 ka, alas 3 ka na mamaligo.
Sabi yung munggo?
Hmm. Hindi, ana. Doon na, nakasala.
Mamay, ano, higasan din sa ano.
Alam mo na siguro yun. Na.
Ay, dami. Tas, kain ka na. Para mabilis. Hindi mo.
Dahan.
Baka may tinik yan, ha?
Ito na naman.
Pero galing to pa. Nasa buko.
Munggo.
Ito? Ano itim?
Ay!
Kumuha sa paper bag mo.
Hindi ba yung masakit sa ulo mo?
Hindi ah.
Akala ko nasasabit yan sa buko.
Hindi, na-slip yan.
Nilalagay sa ano yan? Pag operate, maglagay-lagay ka lang kanya para hindi masyadong ano ng ulo.
Diyan.
Ang ka ba nakasuot ka steady?
Ang mukha may kabila pero ba yung nakasuot ko eh. Tinatanong ko bakit ano, may ganito ka?
Ginagamit ko yun sa operation.
Tama na, ayaw na kanya eh.
Hindi mo nakaasa.
Ayaw na niya, gusto mo nga isa.
Sabaw na.
But still give us even though it's sauce.
Huwag ka na. Ayun, wala ko na tapos. Oh, isa mo na yan. Isa mo lang. Nasubo.
Inalat na naman tayo sa mga basura na inalis ko doon. Oh. Kaya ganun sa mga kita.
You're done. Palalagay mo ito dito?
Ibang hindi mo na ang kutsara mo ah. Ako ang matatanungin mo, ikaw na gumagawa. Ayun na lang sa lababo. Dahil mo nga sa lababong. Dahil mo na yan.
Pakilamer, wadi unos.
Kanin. Ang pabalong kasi aray ko, babalik yung kaldero doon.
Kaya nga.
Ate, I'll wait for you because
Ay, kumain ka na dyan. Ay, maghugas ka na dyan.
nafuwas na ako.
Sino po may tubig mo?
Yeah.
Bilis yun ka.
I'm gonna wait for, I'm gonna go to our house.
Tablet na yan, Jonas. Dugyot na naman yan.
Bukas ka ba na kami, Jonas?
Apa? It's sabon.
Maghugas.
Sino nagsabi na ano? Sino nagsabi na sa
Yampin pa ni Jonas doon, no?
Hindi naman pa kayo nakalisan.
Sino pakilaman niya?
Hindi pa kayo nakalis.
Tapos igalaw mo nga yung sa akin para hindi madumi.
Balita!
May
Dasunan?
Ate, I'm gonna delete your
Maramdaman latag.
the RP name ah.
Maramdaman ko di apang kundi ko jay. 1. Sige. Salamat ah, salamat.
tawag sa loob.
Na?
Tawag sa loob.
Obi. Yung naman to, malam.
Ate, minuf ko yung player mo.
Okay.
Now it's gonna take 20 minutes now. Pagkatapos ng 20 minutes now, you're gonna get kicked.
Wala na?
Ate, there's someone robbing. Oh no.
Bad people from my house.
There's someone doorbell.
Bad him.
Okay. Sekarang itu kan. I can't ban him. I can't ban him. Okay. So come here, ba?
Ban them!
I can't even. Why can't I ban them? I can't ban them, bro.
Try again later when they're on my lot.
I'm gonna bombayad them.
Hey, yo.
No, like I'm gonna bomb them.
Oh.
Get out.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I'm still shooting though. Come here, ba?
Malambot na ito. Baka talunan nila pag iniwan ko. Ano ba yan? Monggo. Mas may baga pa yun, sayang. Ayun, no? Bakit sa ano lang? Mushi. That's supposed to be.
Ate, what's your car?
I don't know.
I'm gonna delete your car and gonna make you a new car.
Okay.
Ah, galing isa mo, oh. Oh, oh.
Congratulations!
Get off my car!
Bye everybody on my plot.
There's someone on my car. Get out. On car.
Janice, did you post the other video last night?
Wait. Okay, I'm gonna post it now.
May supot pa pala dito.
I swear you already had your chance. Yo, am I tripping or is that a kid? Hey, where'd you come from, little man?
I'm great.
Come over here. This is right.
Sabit mo na yung diretso.
I think he can be trusted.
I like it.
Right there. Hey, fool, this little boy just saved your life. Thank you, little boy.
You're welcome.
Guy!
Hmm.
Guy!
Magsabon ka ng kamay mo at saka nagila mo